Meaning of heal.
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 Heal. The word heal refers to the process of restoring health or wellness to an individual who is suffering from physical, emotional, or psychological distress. Healing can occur through a variety of methods, including medical treatments, therapy, meditation, and other forms of self-care. The result of healing is typically a sense of relief and renewal, as the root cause of the individual's suffering is addressed and resolved. By healing, people are able to regain their strength and vitality, and often experience a newfound sense of peace and well-being in their daily lives.